Hi, my name is Muhammad Hadif Iman bin Muhammad Hadafi. My student ID is 2025868672.
Hi, my name is Muhammad Bazli bin Muhammad Usnizan. My matric number is 2025-408016.
Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afzan bin Muhammad Arfad. My ID number is 2025-861892.
Assalamualaikum everyone. My name is Muhammad Faris Azhari bin Muhammad Rafa. The student ID is 2025-868874.
So question A. Hakim plans to buy a house in a few years. To achieve his goal, he decides to deposit part of his income into an investment account that offers 4.1% annual interest, compounded quarterly. After 8 years, his saving has grown to 180,547 ringgit and 26 cents. After reviewing his financial, how much money did Hakim initially invest at the beginning? So at first we need to list every information given below as 180,547 ringgit and 26 cents. Rate which is 4.5% and 4 times a year and time 8 years. We need to use a compound interest formula, which is S equal to P bracket 1 plus R divided by M power M time T. The answer is we need to use this formula and insert the insert the information given. So it will be P equal to 180,547.26 divided by bracket 1 plus 0.041 divided by 4 and close the bracket, powered by 8 times 4. The answer will be 130,276.90 cents.
Next, we got the second question. Calculate the total interest earned over the 8 years. The formula is interest equal to future value minus present value. The answer is 50,270 and 36 cents.
Question 1 C. If Hakim wishes to have RM 215,000 in the same account, how long it will take at the same interest rate and compounding frequency? So here we need to use the formula S equal to P bracket 1 plus I powered by N. S is future value, P is present value, I is interest, and here we need to find N, which is the time. So 2,500 2,000. After we list every single value from the question, now we need to put it all the value into the formula. So it will be 215,000 equal to 130,276.90 bracket 1 plus 0.041 divided by 4 bracket power by N. After that we need to divide both sides by 130,276.90. So it will be 215,000 divided by 130,276.90 equals to 1.01025 power by N. So we need to simplify all that, and it will be 1.91899 equals to 1.01025. power by n. To find the n, we need to take the logarithm on the both sides. So it will be n equal to log 1.91899 equals to log divide to by log 1.01025. After we calculate all that, we get n equals to 63.915. Since the interest compound is 4 times a year, we use the formula n equals to 4t. So 63.915 equals to 4t. So we need to divide by 4. So t will be 15.97. Thank you.
Last question. Hakim want to reach 300,000 in 5 years. Determine the nominal annual interest rate compound quarterly required to achieve this goal. Hence, calculate the quarterly periodic rate. The formula is S equal to P plus bracket 1 plus R over M. End of bracket powered by MT. The answer for rate is 17.04 for annually, and we must to divide by 4 to get quarterly rate. The answer is 4.26% for quarterly.
Moving to this question, case study 2, question 1. Aman saved 500 ringgit every 3 months for 5 years in his debtor account, which paid 4% compound quarterly. Immediately after Aman had made the last deposit, his debtor withdrew half of the amount in the account and invested in the bank ABC Bank, which paid 6% compound monthly. Find the amount in his debtor account at ABC Bank after 2 years. So the method here is we need to put the 500 ringgit. This Aman saved. Open bracket 1 plus 0.01 close bracket power 20. So how do we get the I? I we get from the I equal K divide M. So we get this K from 4%. This M we get from the compound quarterly. Compound quarterly means 12 divide 3. So we get 4. So the answer is 0.01. So here we get the I, and this N we get from the N equal MT. M here, so we get from this M compound quarterly. T we get from 2 years minus 5 years. So here the answer is 11,009 ringgit 50 cents. After withdrawn, we get this. Look at this. We get his debtor withdraw half of the amount. Half of the amount means divide 2. So the answer is 5,504 ringgit 75%. This is the P new. P new here. So for the end of the years, we put the P new here, 5,504 ringgit 75 cents. Open bracket 1 plus 0.005 as the method here. Close bracket power 24. Power 24 because this 12 we get from the past calculation, and this 2 we get from the balance of the years we get before. So the answer here is 6. So the answer here is 6,204 ringgit 73 cents. So moving to the next question, B1. The Binti is buying a new photocopy machine for 100,000 ringgit to finance a purchase. She trade in her old photocopy machine for 2,000 ringgit, and the balance is financed through a bank with an interest rate of 12% compound monthly. For the repayment of the bank loan, she must pay 1,779.56% a month. Here, 1. Find the number of monthly payment that will settle the loan. So the method here is we need to put the so here A, here 100,000 thousand ringgit minus 20,000, we get the 80,000 equal 1,779 ringgit point 50 cents. Open bracket 1 minus open bracket 1 plus 0.12 divide 12 close bracket power negative n divide 0.12 divide 12, close bracket. So here we get 80,000 divide 100, 779 by point 50 cent, 51, 56 cent, per bracket 0.01, close bracket equal 1 minus per bracket 1 plus 0.01, close bracket power negative n. So we need to find n. 1 minus 0.4495 equal open bracket 1 plus 0.01, close bracket negative n. Moving to the next. Here, so we need to do the open bracket 1 plus 0.01, close bracket negative n equal 1 minus 0.4495. So just to find after the calculation, we get open bracket 1.01, close bracket power negative n equals 0.5505 cents. So in this calculation we need to use calculator. So we need to do the log here. So to get the answer of n here, negative n equal log 0.5505 divide log 1.01. Here we get the minus n equal negative 59 ringgit 0.99 sign here. So we need to remove this minus. So the answer is n equal 59 ringgit 99 cent. Or we can make it this. To make it around, it turns to n equal 16. Go to 16. That's all. Thank you.
Now we will move on to question B2. If Rabiatul missed her 6th monthly payment, how much should she pay on her 7th payment? So the formula suitable for this is S equals to R in brackets 1 plus I to the power of n minus 1 divided by I again, because we want to find how much does she needs to pay in the future. So first let's bring on all the information that we have. R equals to 1779.56. The n, which is how much is her monthly payment, which is in the question, her 7th payment, and I equals to k, the rate, over m, how much does it compound it. Okay, then we will get 0.12 divided by 12. So let's put all the information we have into the formula. So we will get S equals to 1779.56 in bracket 1 plus 0.12 divided by 12, the I, and to the power of 7 minus 1 and divided by I again, and you will get 12,836 ringgit and 92 cents. And that's for question 2. Now we will move on to the final question, question B3. If Rabiatul intends to settle the loan by making a final payment immediately after paying the first 40 monthly payments, find the value of this payment. So so they want to know how much should she pay. So we'll use the present to find the present value, which is A equals to R in brackets 1 minus 1 plus I to the power of negative n divided by I. So okay, let's list out the information. The R and I is still the same. By the n, did I get 20 is in question the B1. The total number of monthly payments is 60. So we go back here, 60 minus 40, which is her final. How much did she pay for the first monthly payment? So 60 minus 40, that's how we get 20. There I get 20. So let's put all of this information into the formula once more. A equals to 1779.56, the R, in brackets 1 minus 1 plus 0.12 over 12, the I, to the power of negative 20 divided by I, again 0.12 over 12, and the final answer should be 32,113 ringgit and 14 cents. And that is the final question for case study 2 and the end of the case studies. That's all from us. Thank you.